Hey, I'm Jack, an AI avatar created by the owner of AI Code 247, and this video will be about Chat GPT and what it's best used for. Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI and launched in November of 2022. If you're asking, what is a chatbot? A chatbot is a computer program that uses artificial intelligence and natural language processing to understand customer questions and automate responses to them, simulating human conversation. But we all know there's only one reason to talk to a robot. That reason is human convenience. Here are the top 3 best uses for Chat GPT. Number 1, problem solving. You can literally ask it any question, and it will give you the correct answer. No more wasting time scrolling through Google links looking for answers. Number 2, coding. We can all see every industry has been evolving with technology, so coders hold a high value in the work world. Well, now, anyone can code anything, and all you have to do is ask ChatGPT to create the code for you. Number 3, writing. Creating good copywritten content and having correct formatting can be difficult and time-consuming for some. Neither of those things are any longer a problem. Now, with ChatGPT, all you have to do is ask it to write you an essay, email response, cover letters, and resumes. If you've been using ChatGPT, tell us in the comments below what you've been using it for. We want to know. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any topics you want to see a video on, just ask us in the comments and your wish is our command. Lastly, don't forget to share what you've just learned with a friend and keep watching AI Code 247 for more AI technology updates.